Hey everybody, Justin Howe with the Window Experts here today, taking a look at one of the recent projects that we did that I really liked the results of, and wanted to kind of show people some things that you didn't think may be available to you when looking for replacement windows, especially in vinyl windows. And what we're actually looking at today is a painted vinyl window product that we just got put in. So you can see these are vinyl windows, and if you've seen or heard things in the past or read stuff online, you might have seen some stuff that kind of downplays vinyl as a replacement window option. But there's a lot of new technologies and options available today that make vinyl windows really hard to distinguish from something a little more high-end like a fiberglass or a wood. And this particular product today is a painted vinyl window finish. So you actually have a vinyl window. And this is a Milgard window with a 7 or 8 step process to get the finishing, and you can see it's a real nice finish on it. Carries a really good warranty and everything. So if you're looking to get something with a little more of a design element to it, going in a darker color versus just the white tan that you normally see in windows, the painted window finish is a great option. The other thing I wanted to point out today that I really like is a simulated divided light. So you can see when you're doing grids in the windows, you have a couple of different options. You can go no grids, obviously, or you can do a between the glass grid where you kind of have the grid pattern, but it's in between the two insulated panes of glass, which make it real easy to clean, low maintenance and everything. But this simulated divided light, as you can see, you actually feel and touch the grids. They're on the outside of the glass, and then on the inside of the house they're on the inside of the glass. So what you get is the look of a window that has individual panes of glass, and it's a really great design element because it gives a lot more volume to the window, makes it look a lot more finished and full. In fact, we'll kind of zoom back out here and you can kind of take a look at that window and see look of it. But the main thing is, again, some architectural design elements that you can get in vinyl windows that'll really punch them up, make them look a lot more expensive than they really are, and help the overall look of the house. So keep in mind, if you're out there shopping for replacement windows, you've got some options available in custom colors, in true divided light appearance, something that's going to overall give you a really good fit and finish to the house and make it look like it's not just another vinyl replacement window. So thank you for your time. My name is Justin Howe with the Window Replacement Experts here in San Antonio. If there's anything that we can help you out with, please let me know. Love to answer your questions. Love to get together with you, see if we can help you out to create a look